I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Bit Form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the Bit Form dashboard. App Setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to your Bit Form dashboard. Under the actions, click on 3 dots and go to the responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bit Form. Thanks for watching.